Hello guys, so welcome to the unboxing video of Yonex Nano Ray Light 89 graphite racket. So it comes in this box from Amazon and it costed me around 1900 rupees. So the packing is really good. I would really rate the packing of Amazon very high because these costly things they comes in these big boxes. I ordered this racket bag also, and this costed me just 495 rupees, but it came in just in a box like of this size only. So I would really rate them very high. Talking about Flipkart, those guys don't give in a very good box. The big items comes from a bike, but kudos to Amazon. Okay guys, so here it is your racket. The security offered here is very nice. I mean, you can see the papers, and here's your racket. Nice sturdy cover. Okay, so here is the third take of the video and hopefully the final take. So in this I will cover all the aspects related to this racket. Now we'll open this. We will keep a product aside. Now talking about the cover, branding like Yonex and the Nano Ray series written on the cover, and the well padded cover. I mean, this will add the style quotient, of course, because of a big brand like Yonex, and the padding inside. This will offer you the maximum security for the racket. So I would rate this cover very highly. Now onto the racket. You get this polythene cover of Yonex, the old historic cover you get in every of the Yonex racket. Even a 500 rupees Yonex racket will have this cover. So I really missed it because I've been using leaning rackets from a little while, but I'm back to the Yonex. Now talking about beginner to intermediate racket. This is actually an intermediate racket. A person who is a beginner and just want to go to the intermediate level, this racket is for them. Second thing is the string tension. I think the string tension of this strung racket is around 20, which is the minimum string tension offered on this racket. Now talking about the shaft, this is a carbon and a graphite shaft. It is not a movable shaft which you get in the higher budget rackets. It is a steel shaft, but a very good shaft. And talking about this T-joint, so this is a one piece racket. I mean, you don't get a T-joint, so this will offer you maximum, you can say, strength for this racket. And this is the isometric shape. Yonex have been historically producing isometric shape rackets. So isometric means the vertical and the horizontal strings, they're equal in length, so that gives you maximum sweet spot and you can control your game really well. I mean, if you'll have a big this sweet spot, so your game will be enhanced. But let me just tell you that professional players, they play with the racket with a string tension of around 30, 32, 28. So they have a very little this sweet spot. So I mean, if you are just an intermediate player or a beginner player, you just need to improve your game. For that you need a bigger sweet spot. For that purpose, this racket is really good. And if you are also a professional player, you can go for this racket. This will help you in the drill sessions and everything like that, because if you are going for any drill with a racket, I mean, if I'm diving, when I'm in the court, and in a diving drill, I mean, if I'm trying to dive and if I just break my racket, so this will do the job because this is not really costly one. So that will be the purpose of this racket, because you can't just go with a 200 rupees racket in the court and practice any drill. So this will also do the job for you. Now talking about the grip size. Okay, so this is a G4 grip. extended one. So actually this is a universal type of G4 grip, anyone can hold this. I actually prefer a G2 grip, but G4 grip will also do the job. Now additionally what you can do is, one of my friend has this racket, this Nano Ray Light 18i, and he has strung it at 28 lbs from Yonex BG65, and actually his game has improved a lot. uh, this is a lightweight racket, this is a light head racket, so this is not meant for smashing. You can control your game. This is actually a defensive racket. But when I saw him, he uses 28 lbs and he is like um smashing it so hard that actually some of the shuttle are not returnable. So you can do one thing is, you can remove all the strings and you can go for BG65 and strung it at 28 lbs. So that will actually make your game very strong because you can smash it. I would not recommend this lightweight racket for smashing, but if you have only this thing and you are looking for smashing, of course you can go. But for smashing you also need some practice, and for jump smashing actually you need more of the practice. Many practice sessions would be needed for you to perfect a jump smash. So before you just master it, you can play with this racket, and if you think you are really getting up there, so you can just remove this string and go for BG65 and strung it at 28 lbs. Now you can add another grip for firm touch, and for that I will give you in the link. I'll give you a link in the description and you can check it out and see. Now talking about the pricing, 1900 rupees and a brand like Yonex and this very lightweight racket. If you are playing from any of the heavier weight racket and holding this racket, you will feel really good. I mean, this racket will weight around, I think 80 grams, I think. So this is really good. And I've been using Yonex Carbonix 8000 plus, so I'll be coming up with a detailed comparison video between this racket and that racket. So stay tuned for that video. I hope this answers your question. I would really recommend you to buy this racket. This is really sturdy, really stylish, and you can see this is a black color racket, but this color, this blue and this yellow, this add really a good style question to your racket. So hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye for now.